I know, with the number of teachers that I've worked with over the years, and also being a teacher myself in school, that teachers generally, and this is not a criticism of teachers, generally will not source out academic journals, but they will source out professional journals, because the text, the discourse, is more accessible instead of jargon-laden papers. All right? We can't assume that all teachers are researchers in terms of at a higher education level. All right? So, but there's one other point, and you may be aware, you may not. So we tend to slide through Prime Ministers quite a bit these days in Australia. But one of our previous Prime Ministers, Malcolm Turnbull, he actually said a really interesting comment in the media, and it was to do with higher education and also the whole notion of publish and perish, or publish, well, not publish and perish, let's hope not, but publish or perish. And his comment was that the majority of teachers in schools will not access academic journals. And again, it wasn't a criticism. So he was challenging the academic audience or the academic world to consider not just writing for academic journals, but also writing for professional journals, because it's the principals and the teachers and the parents in the schools that are actually going to come in, and they will find those journals sitting on their staff room tables, because teachers will leaf through them and read them. So there's two different forms of writing. One is of more the academic discourse, and one is more for the discourse of school leaders, teachers and parents. So for the number of students that I supervise, at the moment I think I've got 10 PhD students, and all of them have been teachers or are still teachers. I ask them to start flapping their wings, not fully outstretched, but coming to the edge and lifting off with writing for a professional journal first off.